You're welcome back. Now, health experts have tasked the Nigerian government to work towards reducing its malaria burden. This was as Nigeria joined the rest of the world to mark the Global Malaria Day, where they called on partner nations to help tackle poor malaria funding. News Central's Idong Joseph compiled this report.
Accounts for over half of the global malaria burden. This, according to a World Health Organization malaria report, is a significant challenge for West Africa's largest black nation, as malaria claimed about 619,000 lives in 2021 alone on the continent. The report also claims that in the same year, about 245 million new cases of malaria was diagnosed worldwide, with Africa accounting for about 95%. As Nigeria joined the rest of the world to mark this year's World Malaria Day, its government says it will adopt the new malaria vaccine as an effective way to tackle the scourge.
The country has also successfully submitted an application to Gavi for the RTS vaccine allocation. This is expected to be in the country by April 2024. Furthermore, there is an ongoing phase 3 trial which is about to be completed. Based on some of the available data, the National Agency for Food and Drugs Administration and Control, NAFDAC, has considered that there is sufficient ground to provide a conditional approval for the use of the malaria vaccine. It is expected that conducting the trials in Nigeria will provide evidence for performance of the vaccine in high malaria transmitting setting. This will guide the adoption of the use of the vaccine in Nigeria.
Though Nigeria has made much progress in its fight against the disease, experts say a renewed commitment to ending malaria is necessary.
Over the years, we have seen some encouraging signs of progress in some malaria interventions. However, the recent World Malaria Report calls for a redoubling of efforts by all, and especially the private sector, to complement what government and donor agencies are putting in to ensure increased access to malaria interventions by all Nigerians.
Therefore, every individual, community, and state is an equal, valued, and essential partner to fight to end malaria. I hope that this week's series of events, such as state engagements and community outreaches to commemorate World Malaria Day, will renew the commitment and empower stakeholders to eliminate malaria today and for future generations.
The theme of this year's World Malaria Day is time to deliver zero malaria. Invest, innovate, and implement. Experts say this calls on all stakeholders to redouble their efforts aimed at ending malaria.